In this video, I'm going to strip down this orange finish in an attempt to bring this old tall boy back into the modern world. So we got this piece off of Facebook Marketplace for just $20, which is amazing. It was listed as like a walnut tall boy, but just looking at the grain, I really don't think that it is. I was actually humming and hawing about the type of wood this is, and at first I thought it was oak, but upon further digging, I think it's closer to like ash or maybe hickory. If someone knows for sure, then please let me know, because I'm still not 100%. Way too long, so I think we're just gonna chemically strip it. These just came out super easily. I don't even need to show you how to do that. Oh, it's so easy like this. Stripper, you've seen this before. That's so much faster. At this point, Kendall's aunt came to get some stuff out of her shed, and here she is talking about her hoarding problem.
I would fill the garage up. I can't because I have a carport, right? But seriously, I have problems.
Well, she's not done. Moving on, we are going to be doing a paint wash in Fusion Algonquin. Oh god. So, about that much. My phone's about to die. So I actually used to use shop towels to wipe off the wash, but recently I've been using like cloth rags and it's been making my washes come out a lot more evenly. They're just more absorbent and I can fold it into like a cushiony pad kind of thing instead of like the thin towel conforming to the shape of my hand, which is definitely not as flat. So Kendall and I, we sometimes like to go check out furniture stores just to kind of like catch up on the latest trends. Interior design magazines and Instagram are great, but I just want to know what real people in my area are buying and loving. And so on one of these visits to furniture stores, I kept seeing this cool toned brown finish that I thought looked really good. And I kind of just wanted to see if I could dupe it. And this was the difference in color compared to my last wash. Oh, you came to watch furniture? I thought you were just here to see me block everything with my fat head. And I just want to say that the more coats of wash that you do, the more you obscure the grain. So same goes for like gel stain or anything that sits on top rather than soaking into the wood. But I kind of want that though because although this grain is quite pretty, it is a little bit much for me, so I don't mind a bit of camouflage. So by this point, I was just getting kind of scared that it was coming out a little bit too gray than I would have wanted. But anyways, I just decided to sleep on it and let it dry and hopefully it lightens up on me. And then when it came out the next day, I realized I had completely ruined it. Just like I was afraid of, I had made it way too cool and it ended up looking nothing like what I was trying to achieve. But everything is figure outable, so I decided to use some walnut gel stain just to add that warmth back. Now after the first coat of that gel stain, it did come out a little bit blotchy, and you can see that some of the areas didn't really quite like take it as well as I wanted, so I did add another coat to try to even it out. And after a makeover full of trial and error, adjustments, and tweaks, we are all done. And while there are people out there who do still appreciate that traditional orange finish, I just think it looks a little outdated. But we were able to give her a complete refresh, and I think it looks a lot better. So that's all from me today. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to hit that subscribe button, and Kendall and I will see you guys next time here on Holly's Garage.